HP docking stations may fail to charge laptops due to USB-C power delivery issues, cable problems, outdated firmware, or insufficient wattage. The core issue is the handshake between the laptop and dock. When they fail to negotiate power properly, charging stops. This can stem from incompatible firmware, incorrect cables, or underpowered adapters. USB-C power delivery relies on specific pins for power negotiation. The V-bus pins handle the actual power transfer, and proper cables are essential for this to work correctly. Always verify your cables and adapters support the required wattage to avoid charging issues. USB-C power delivery, or PD, is a protocol that allows high wattage charging through a single cable, supporting up to 240 watts for PD 3.1. This enables faster and more efficient charging for devices like HP laptops. HP laptops need specific wattage levels, typically 65 to 100 watts, to charge properly through docking stations. USB-C PD provides the necessary power negotiation to deliver this, far exceeding older USB standards. Cables must support power delivery and be capable of handling the required power. They need to be thick enough to carry the current without voltage drops, which can cause charging failures. Charging problems occur when cables aren't certified or adapters provide insufficient power. The USB-IF logos indicate proper certification, ensuring compatibility and safe charging. Start with basic hardware checks to ensure proper charging setup. Ensure the USB-C cable is securely connected to both the dock and laptop. Inspect the cable for damage, such as torn insulation or yellowing that could indicate heat exposure. Try a different USB-C cable known to support power delivery. Verify the power adapter's wattage matches your laptop's requirements, usually found on the laptop's underside. For example, many HP laptops need 65 watts or more. Clean the USB-C ports on both the laptop and dock to remove any debris that could prevent proper connection. In a real-world example, a non-certified 45 watts adapter caused undercharging. Switching to a 90 watts adapter fixed the issue. Outdated firmware on either the dock or laptop can cause charging problems. Use HP Support Assistant to update both the dock's firmware and the laptop's BIOS. HP's senior engineer stated that firmware is the first line of defense. A 2025 BIOS patch added PD error logging, allowing users to self-fix via the HP Wolf security app. Early 2023 models had charging failures. HP's 2025 BIOS patch added PD error logging, allowing users to self-fix via HP Wolf security app. In Windows, start by checking the Device Manager for any driver issues related to the USB-C port or the dock. Look for unknown devices or error indicators that might prevent proper charging. If you find driver problems, reinstall or update the drivers for the USB-C port or docking station. Right-click on the device in Device Manager and select Update Driver or Uninstall Device to refresh the connection. Ensure your Windows operating system is up to date. Compatibility issues with USB-C power delivery can often be resolved through system updates that improve hardware recognition and power management. Disconnect and reconnect the dock to your laptop. This allows Windows to redetect the device and re-establish the USB-C connection, which can resolve temporary communication issues. According to HP's 2025 customer data, 25% of support tickets for EliteBook docks involve charging issues, making these troubleshooting steps crucial for most users. Sometimes, the laptop and dock fail to negotiate power correctly due to firmware glitches or incompatible settings. This prevents proper charging through the docking station. Try a hard reset to clear any temporary faults. First, disconnect the power cable from both the laptop and the docking station. If your laptop has a removable battery, take it out as well. Then, hold the power button on both the laptop and dock for 30 seconds to discharge any residual power. Reconnect all cables and the battery, then power on the laptop to check if charging resumes through the dock. Finally, access your laptop's BIOS settings during startup and verify that power management options, like AC mode settings, are not blocking USB-C charging. If your troubleshooting steps don't resolve the charging issue, check your HP warranty status. HP may replace the dock or laptop if a hardware fault is detected. Contact HP support for further assistance. Provide them with details about your laptop model, dock model, and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Use the HP Support Assistant tool for streamlined help. In one case study, a user reported intermittent charging with their HP EliteBook. HP replaced the dock under warranty, and a firmware update version 1.2.8 resolved it for 95% of similar cases. The industry is shifting toward universal USB-C ecosystems, making charging more standardized across devices. Always keep your HP laptop and dock updated with the latest firmware to ensure compatibility and fix known issues. Choose certified USB cables and adapters to avoid compatibility problems and ensure safe charging. Check the wattage specifications for your HP laptop and ensure your dock or adapter meets those requirements. Looking ahead, HP is developing AI-driven diagnostics that could automatically identify and fix charging issues. HP is embracing sustainability with modular docks that reduce e-waste and aim for 100% recyclable components. Following these prevention strategies will help minimize charging problems and extend the lifespan of your HP docking station and laptop.